When I saw Nnamdi Kanu in handcuffs, I thought he's taken to jail, not knowing it's a scam. Aside Dokubo raises false belief. You see that uh, your thoughts is now different from what others thoughts are. You see, Asari Dokubo is one of those very strong enemy of the IPOP leader. Yes, and that is because he is seeing Nnamdi Kanu as a big threat to his plan. He is doing Asai Dokubo as if Nnamdi Kanu should just be executed, because he believes that Nnamdi Kanu is stopping him from achieving many of his evil plans. Yes, he sees Nnamdi Kanu as a big threat. As a big threat. You know that Asai Dokubo wants to take over Biafran struggle, but because he believes Nnamdi Kanu still being alive, it's not going to be easy. So that fear, that fear is what is still eating him up. That is his own wahala. You understand? That is his own wahala. You thought seeing Nnamdi Kanu in handcuffs, so you thought they are taking him to jail. You are a failure. You are a failure. Nnamdi Kanu is not just released. He's out of detention completely. Maybe you don't know. Be informed now. Let's check the content and know what he's actually saying. This is morning news. The arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to me is a scam. I never believed it, not until I know and got the information that he was just kept in detention. How can you keep a criminal whom you extradited from another country in detention? Nnamdi Kanu is a long-time criminal that has been on search. He deserves to be kept in prison, not in detention. Keeping him in detention is even giving him the morale to continue in his struggle. For instance, Asai Dokubo claimed that he is in detention and still committing murder. He is in detention and still planning his evil doings. Has the Biafrans or the agitators stopped agitating? Making reference to Simon Ekpa, Asari Dokubo has said Ekpa is still causing havoc and making people feel imbalanced. I am of the opinion that Nnamdi Kanu be moved to prison. At least that will help to lock him up completely without being seen. He said, now you sabi. That is what he thought, and that is what he's still thinking. You see, you cannot be the one to decide. They alone know why they kept him in detention, and even that very detention is not supposed to be in detention. You understand? Look at what they just said right now concerning his arrest and how they managed to get him extradited. That is to let you know how deceitful and dubious Nigerian can be. In fact, I begin to support the UN for placing Nigeria as number three in terrorism in the world. Very soon we'll still be number one. In Africa, we are number one now. We are number one. Look at, we are too corny. No wonder in US or UK, they don't trust Nigerians. If you see how they treat them, go to the embassy, want to collect a visa. You see how tough it's going to be for you to collect a visa, because they know that we go there to commit crime. Yes, look at Ghana. Ghana now travel to abroad without any visa. This get them a free visa to travel abroad. Can they do that to Nigeria? No, because of our dubiousness. Because of our dubiousness. That's so. Let me hear from you, my people in the house, to know what your take and what's your own opinion on what has just been reviewed. Maybe don't forget your comment. They are still very much of great importance. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.